Hello, y'all. It's awesome again to be with you. Yeah, this is an update video to my last video where I told you not to update your Binance app. So let me give you good news, and I know you want to hear the good news. So if you haven't liked this video, do that right now. Yes, like the video and also subscribe if you haven't to the channel. Yeah, in this channel, we are giving you information that helps you make money, multiply your money, and we also help you manage your money so you don't get it lost. Okay, so today I've got a good news to share with you. Eventually we located the compare market, and a shout out to one of my subscribers who sent me a message and screenshots about this, and I really am grateful. Thank you very much. I mean, this thing where we are on this learning street, right, we all help each other, we all support each other. Now I tell you, when I discovered that the Binance compare markets was going to disappear, I was so unhappy to hear that, and I said I was not going to update my app. But unfortunately, let me tell you something. Unfortunately, about, I think, a couple of days afterwards, I noticed that it had disappeared. Look at it. We can't find the compare markets. It's nowhere to be found in the list of this app. So I was like, no. Binance compare market has gone. So that means we have to just stick with CoinMarketCap. Oh my God. And that's going to be a long journey because you see, triangular arbitrage, is very important. We can see the compare markets. If we don't see the compare markets, how do you want to make an informed decision on the trade you want to take? So when I saw that this happened, I was actually downcast, and I was like, so what has happened? I mean, I was in my mind like, is it that Binance doesn't want us to do triangular arbitrage anymore? Or is it that maybe they noticed that we're making a lot of money from triangular arbitrage? I mean, a lot of thoughts passed through my mind, but somewhere in my mind, I just felt we'll kind of figure this out. Maybe we'll find where it has been. A little thought came to my mind that probably it has been relocated, but I didn't have the time to start looking for where it was relocated. But thankfully, today, I got to find it out. Okay, so let me show you. I'm sure you're wondering. Go to the point. Go to the point. Okay, I'm about to show you where exactly it is. So this is where it is, right? Now, the place to find it, you have to go to the charts. That's it. You see that chart thing up there? You have to go there. And then when you click on the charts, it will bring out all the charts. I mean, this is a chart of POWR/USDT. So you come to the charts, and of course, at the charts, at the bottom of the charts, that's the bottom left, we will see this thing that says more. Can you see that? So when you see that more, you click on it, and ta-da! It shows up. Can you see the compare market? That's where it's now relocated. I'm like, okay, allegedly, maybe somebody in Binance wants us to look for this because we can make a lot of money from triangular arbitrage. What do you think about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. So you click on the compare markets, and here it is. Can you see that? We now have our compare markets back. Yes. So this is exactly where it is. So I said, okay, I'll come over here and quickly do a quick update because I'm here to share everything I know. Well, I wouldn't say everything. I'll share with you as much as I can because there's some things you have to pay for, right? Yes. And that's it. If you want to be part of our trading course where we trade, right, and do live trades, and we look at all the possibilities of making money, you can just click on the description and you'll see the first link there. You can actually send me a DM to make inquiries about our course. So, but on this channel, I share it. I don't gatekeep. If I know anything that will help you out, I'm here to share that with you. And that's exactly what we're doing today. You can see that now we have been able to figure out where the compare market is. And so for all of you, please go ahead and have fun doing triangular arbitrage. I also want to give you an announcement, right? Yeah. And in the month of December, coming up shortly, we're going to be having 12 days of Christmas trading. Yes, live trading. We're going to be having live streams every day for 12 days. I'm going to announce that. It's going to be from, I think it's going to be from like the 10th. Yeah. from the 10th of December, yeah, to like the 21st. So it's going to be 12 days of Christmas trading. You guys make sure you are part of the community. And of course, don't forget, you can also join the membership. Yeah, click on the description. You'll see a link to join the membership. Maybe you're looking for a tool that will help you do triangular arbitrage really, really very, very well. I have a tool that I shared in the membership, space, where, once you get onto this tool, it helps you to get a lot of signals, trading opportunities. So don't miss out on that. Join the membership today. Yeah, just click on that join, and then you'll be able to be part of us. So I hope you've been able to see where our compare market is now. And are we happy? If you're happy about this, please let me know. Let me know. Give me a like to this video, and also let me know in the comments that you're finally happy that we have figured out where the compare markets. I was gonna bite my lips. Compare market is back. Yes. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.